Don't worry. Don't worry. We still love you guys. So we have not given you guys a break. It's my fault. I wanted to get us, staying in the rhythm, in the vibes. Like, how are you guys feeling? Give me a round of applause if you're still feeling good. You still feeling good? Yeah, I love the energies. Now you guys messed up. You gave me too much energy now. You gave me too much energy. So we do actually have quite a bit of time. You guys have really kept time really well. That's why my co-host here, Jabu's telling me, dude, they have time. Give them time. And I'm like, let's make sure they can go to the bathroom. So, before we give you guys your 5-minute bathroom break, Nathaniel, you guys at the back. So, as a person that has had a failed Bitcoin circular economy, there's other ways to utilize tools. So, this is what we call a Bitcoin stamp. I created a little tool called a Bitcoin passport. It's called Easypass. So if you were to go to your browser, and I'll say the name or the address now and just afterwards. If you were to go to your browser and you go to Easypass, like Easy Passport, easypass.okinent.org. That's easy, that's EASYPASS.okinent.org. So this will lead you to a page that will literally tell you, do you want to create a new passport or do you want to sign in with your NSEC? This is built on Nostr and using Nostr identities. I would advise you to create a new passport. When you scan this QR code, it puts a stamp in your digital passport to say you attended this event. In that, you are part of a global circular economy that attended an event. So we're going to be testing this live. If it works, great. If it doesn't, you can yell at me.